Tiwari. I'm here interviewing one of the best students of my college. He's my fourth year senior, Saurabh. So, sir, would you like to introduce yourself?
No. On my behalf, Rangoli has introduced me. I am Saurabh Kesamani from 4th year, BLLB Honours, University of Lava.
So that's it? Okay, sir. How many moves you have done so far?
Okay. Are intra included? Intra?
Sorry, nationals.
Three.
Okay.
Three nationals. One from Symbiosis Pune. The other one is from KIT Odisha. The third one is from Bangalore. BLCC Bangalore.
Okay, sir. Sir, how did you land in mooting?
How did you know mooting?
Land in mooting.
Huh?
How did you land in mooting?
It's a college activity, and my friends and my group of friends is very involved in these type of activities. So they, I admired mooting from those persons only.
Okay, so sir, from first year only you started participating?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so do you have any prior experience of public speaking skills?
No, not one instance I don't remember that I ever speak in front of any gathering or I address any people. Nothing
How was
like
it
that.
for you the first time?
Embarrassing.
Okay, so next question.
I pleaded for ignorance in front of the court. It
So
just
how
says
many times?
3 times. In my first intra, I pleaded 3 times. The council
Intra?
pleads ignorance, and he just says, ki, Mr. Council, you have taken money from your client, and you can't plead here. The council pleads ignorance. You don't know. So I replied to the council pleads ignorance.
Okay, so next question. What interests or excites you about mooting?
Self-confidence, discipline. You learn etiquettes. It's not about self-confidence. I prefer self-confidence on other things. When you speak in front of many people, it gives you self-confidence and it boosts your morale. The confidence level is
Heightens.
जनरली मतलब कहने का ये मतलब है कि आपके कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत बूस्ट होता है इससे, बहुत बूस्ट होता है इससे। आप किसी के लिए किसी से मैटर नहीं करता। अगर आप बोल रहे हैं गलत बोल रहे हैं तब भी जब भी आप कम्युनिकेट करते हैं किसी से, अगर सही से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट दैट कि आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं और लॉट्स ऑफ वर्ड इंग्लिश को यूज़ कर रहे हो, बेटर इंग्लिश के वर्ड्स, उससे भी मैटर नहीं करता। लेकिन अगर आपने अपनी बात कम्युनिकेट कर दी जज को कि आप कहना क्या चाह रहे हैं, किस लॉ पॉइंट पर डील कर रहे हैं, वो ज़्यादा मैटर करता है।
That is exciting to you.
Yes.
So next question. What skills does mooting build except for confidence?
What skills?
Does mooting build? Huh? So what skills does mooting build? Like speaking, according to you, what are the skills that it gets improved by the mooting?
Of course, speaking,
Of
research work. You get to lot of new things while researching. Mooting is depend on researching. Totally depend on researching.
So you
Think
learn
of a
how to
situation.
research.
Yes. For my friends, for my whole 4th year, they called me as the best researcher also. For one law point, I read 20 pages, 20 links. That's all. That all is on what you do. You have to research.
You
Research
consider
a lot.
yourself a very good researcher because of the mooting.
And eyes of my friends.
Yes, that's fine. Because of the mooting, right?
Yes.
So, okay, any tips and advice on mooting regarding team building, research, etc.?
For concerned university, for our university, Allahabad University, I have certain suggestions for the students, senior students, that never don't under the obligation that he is my friend, she is my friend, I will go with him, I will go with him. The idea behind is that in NLUs, the best, if they are 2 best speakers, they pick any junior, random junior, कोई दोस्ती यारी नहीं, वो उठाते हैं, वो लीड करते हैं और अपने दो स्पीकर्स के इसमें रिसर्च पे ले जाते हैं। कोई फ्रेंडशिप नहीं, कोई ऑब्लिगेशन नहीं कि हाँ इनको ले जाना है या फिर घूमने जाना है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं। ये हम लोग क्या बहुत लाइक करते हैं। हम लोग अपने इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी में बहुत, ये सबसे बड़ा वो है डिसएडवांटेज हम लोग के लिए, लेकिन हम लोग फ्रेंडशिप के चक्कर में रहते हैं, घूमने के चक्कर में। अपार्ट फ्रॉम अगर ये हो जाए कि कोई भी कि थर्ड ईयर में कोई अच्छा लड़का है, फोर्थ ईयर में कोई अच्छा बच्चा है, वो दोनों मिल के किसी भी रैंडम को उठा के जाएँ, लीड करके जाएँ, सीखने को मिले, चीज़ें एक्सचेंज होती हैं इससे, जूनियर सीखने को पाता है।
So basically friendship नहीं होनी चाहिए.
नहीं.
Okay, sir. So any interesting experiences in moods?
Traveling, you learn a lot of things.
Any
Like-
interesting experience specific like आप मूव कर रहे हो and उस समय आपको कुछ interesting हुआ हो?
Exposure. You get to know, you meet a lot of people within the territory of India. मतलब पूरे नेशनल्स में तो सारे जगह से पूरे इंडिया के लोग आते हैं, आप उनसे बात करते हैं, आप उनसे मिलते हैं, आप उनसे एडमायर होते हो कुछ लोगों जो फेल भी होते हैं, आप उनसे भी एडमायर होते हो. They give you an impact on your
So being
personality also.
inspired is your interesting experience about moods.
Yes, it is.
So any final word, any other thing for a non-mooter watching this video?
Non-mooter. For non-mooters. Opt for moot. It brings you self-confidence. You have a lot to explore. You have the opportunity to explore more and more, and you learn more and more when you go for mooting. Mooting is the best experience you would ever have if you are engaged in law course. That's all.
Okay, sir. Thank you.